Imagine a place where the rain doesn't just fall, it commands the land. Here, in Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills of northeast India, over 400 inches of rain pour down every single year. In a landscape, this hostile concrete crumbles, steel rusts into nothingness, wood rots away in mere months. For centuries, the roaring rivers of these valleys severed entire communities, turning isolation into a brutal condition of survival. This landscape demanded a different kind of engineering. So the local Khasi and Jaintia people did not try to conquer nature. Instead, they shook hands with it. They built bridges that don't weaken with age, they grow stronger with time. Their solution was not built, it was grown. Every year, the monsoon put these bridges to the test. But because they are alive, they don't weaken in the floods. They grow firm and stronger. They are called living root bridges because they are not built from timber or concrete. Instead, they are grown from the living aerial roots of rubber fig trees, growing stronger with each passing year. Today, the largest concentration of living root bridges is found in Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, and West Jaintia Hills, where they continue to connect remote villages across rugged terrain. Some are single-decker, while others are the world-famous double-decker bridges, living masterpieces shaped over generations. This is not just carpentry, it's slow-motion magic. At the heart of every living root bridge is the Ficus elastica, the Indian rubber fig tree, which thrives along Meghalaya's subtropical river banks. Locally, these remarkable structures are known as Jingkieng Jri. Its aerial roots are incredibly strong and flexible and continue to grow for centuries, making the tree the perfect natural bridge builder. Generation after generation, Khasi and Jaintia communities patiently guide the tree's living aerial roots across fast-flowing rivers using hollowed-out bamboo or areca palm trunks. These natural channels protect the young roots as they slowly reach the opposite bank and anchor themselves deep into the soil. As the roots thicken, they undergo a remarkable process called inosculation, gradually fusing into a single living structure. After about 20 to 25 years, the bridge becomes strong enough for regular use, and it continues growing stronger for generations. Keeping this remarkable tradition alive is Heli War of Sora, a guardian of Khasi heritage. He was conferred the Padma Shri for reviving the fading art of living root bridges and championing indigenous afforestation. For decades, Heli War has devoted his life to preserving this ancient craft. He began when he was just 11 years old. He never went to school. Instead, he dedicated his life to teaching local families how to guide living roots and care for the surrounding forest. In doing so, he has helped preserve not just an extraordinary engineering tradition, but a way of life built on harmony between people, culture, and nature. According to Khasi oral tradition, their ancestors descended from a heavenly kingdom using a living root ladder known as Jingkieng Jri, the Golden Bridge. Whether history or legend, the story reveals something profound about the Khasi people. Mother Earth is seen as a living force that sustains all forms of life. While a modern concrete bridge might last around 50 years before needing replacement, a living root bridge can endure for 500 years or more. Some of the bridges around Cherrapunchi are believed to be several centuries old, capable of supporting the weight of 50 people at a time. Passed down through generations, this remarkable tradition has become a powerful model of sustainable architecture, environmental stewardship, and community conservation. Recognizing their extraordinary cultural and ecological significance, India has officially nominated Meghalaya's Living Root Bridges under the title Jingkieng Jri Cultural Landscape for UNESCO World Heritage status in the 2026-27 evaluation cycle. But perhaps their greatest legacy is not the recognition they may receive. It's the lesson they have quietly taught for generations. The one who begins the bridge may never live to cross it, yet generations to come will. And still, they build it anyway. Because true legacy is not measured by what you gain, but by what you leave behind. In a world obsessed with building fast and replacing often, the living root bridges of Meghalaya reminds us of something we have forgotten. The most powerful things take time to grow. The greatest wonders are not built against nature, they are grown with it.